1999 Dutch Star rear airbag change. So you can see on these they're pretty haggard. I already swapped the right side one. I'm going to run through how to do it. Got to get those shocks next. So the first thing is you need to get this nut, which you can see I already got loose. It's 3/4. Then throw your what is this? A 1 1/8 on the coupling for the airlines, and then up here in the back, that one right there, it's another 3/4. That's actually the only 3 you need to get it out. It's really easy. Highly recommend an air gun. Much better than trying to use a breaker bar. So once you got the collar loose from here, this will pop out, and then you'll use a 1 16th, I believe, wrench on this to twist this out. I only have a 1 1/8, so I used it and it worked fine. So you can see here it's out, and then all it does is it just goes in like so. You just wiggle it and it'll come out, and then that'll let you get ready to take that off. So once this is out, it's really dirty up here, and it's got some thread seal compound on there that we'll have to clean these threads and put back on. Once that's out, then you can come around to the other side and get this bolt in the back, and then it just drops right out. So once you get that nut out, just pull it down and it'll come out, and then same thing, it'll just come right out of the bottom and just pull it out. The new airbag comes with a new top plate, but we don't really need that because we're just going to reuse the old top plate. There's no reason to try and get that nonsense off. So take that nut off, take the top plate off, and then take out the little cap for the air hole. So then just start hand threading the air nipple back in, and we'll get it up on the top here. We'll get it mounted and start to tighten it down. So the new airbag comes compressed already, so you'll see there'll actually be a gap at the top. I like to do the top bolt first, then it's easier to pull down on the little bell thing.